Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making Santa Fe chicken and a Power XL air fryer grill combo. Alright, I'm starting out on my Power XL air fryer grill combo. And I thought I'd throw together a quick recipe because my friends Tom and Rachel over at Mom of Four Boys just got one. They like seeing me use mine. I thought I'd give them some ideas, so I'm going to make some Santa Fe chicken. Guys, I'll put a link to their channel down in the description bar. Go check them out. They're just starting out. Lots of fun, lots of great recipes, a lot of home cooking like I do. I love them, I love their channel, they're good people. So check them out and tell them I sent you. Now this is set on saute and it's hot. I'm going to add some olive oil in here. And guys, if you're interested in one of these Power XLs, you can pick them up just about anywhere. Walmart, Amazon. Now I have some chicken breast I'm going to get in here and I'm going to brown up. And these here go for, I want to say about $149. Somewhere in that neighborhood. I'm going to get 4 chicken breasts in here. I'm going to lightly brown both sides of them. Right, now that my chicken's browned, I turn this off. Now my chicken is no way done. I just have it browned. I have 1 red bell pepper I diced up. I'm going to get that into the Power XL. Spread it around. Keep the chicken on my fork. I'm going to go ahead and place my chicken in on top of the pepper. I'm going to close my lid down and I'm going to set this to the bake setting. I want to turn my temperature up to 350 and I'm going to set my time to 20 minutes. I'm going to do this 10 minutes on one side, and after 10 minutes are up, I'm going to go in and I'm going to turn that chicken over so we're assured that it's cooked evenly through. Alright, now that my chicken went for 10 minutes, I'm going to pull it out just for a minute. And my cooker's going crazy because I opened the lid. Now I'm going to add in a 15-ounce can of black beans that I drained and rinsed. And I'm going to add in a 10-ounce can of diced tomatoes for green chilies. This generic name brand of Rotel. I'm going to stir that in there. Now to my bean mixture, I'm going to add a little bit of chili powder. Light coating, and I'm using some of this McCormick's Himalayan pink salt with black pepper and garlic. I'm going to add a little bit of that in on top. Just going to help elevate the flavors. Give that a stir. Alright, calm down. Even the electronics are demanding nowadays, guys. Now I'm going to put my chicken in with the other side up. And that should get nice and golden brown as that air fry bakes in there. And I also have some frozen corn I forgot to add in. I'm going to add in about a cup of frozen corn. I'll stir it in there, and we're going to let this go for the last 10 minutes. Alright, I checked my chicken. I had to give it 2 more additional minutes. It's at 165 or a hair below. That's fine. It'll have carryover cooking. Now, I added some chili powder and some more of that garlic seasoning on top after I put the corn in. I'm going to put some Fiesta blend cheese on top. If you can't get this, taco cheese will work just fine, or Mexican blend, whatever your grocery store calls it. And if you get a little cheese down in your vegetables, not to worry, that's fine. Now I'm going to close my lid down, and I'm going to set this to air fry. It's at 375 for 18 minutes. I'm going to leave it there, and I'm only going to let that in there for about 2 minutes so cheese melts. It ain't going to take long at all. Alright, this is done, guys. The cheese is melted. It literally just took a minute to a minute and a half. Let's go ahead and fix up a plate and see what we got. There's some spicy pico de gallo over top of the chicken. I made some Spanish rice to go with it. Let me get in here and try this. Cut into that chicken. My cat smells this chicken, guys. Don't mind her. Chicken's nice and tender. Let's get into that. Tender, moist, well seasoned. Try some of these vegetables. Has those classic Mexican flavors. It's really delicious, guys. You get the cheese, you get the vegetables, the rice on the side. Remember, guys, check out Mom of Four Boys channel, Rachel and Tom. I'll put a link down in the description bar. Thanks for watching. Remember, love what you eat and eat what you love.